Let us see cognitive approach to learning or development theory of learning. Introduction. The cognitive approach to learning focuses on understanding the internal mental process that influence how we acquire, process, and retain information. Unlike behaviorist theories, which emphasize external behaviors and stimuli, the cognitive approach explores the mental structure and process involved in learning. It suggests that learners are active participants who construct knowledge based on their experiences and prior knowledge. This approach is based on the premise that the human mind is like a computer, processing, storing, and retrieving information. Major assumptions of the cognitive approach are: learning is active. Learners do not passively observe information, instead, they actively process and make sense of it. Next one is mental representation. Learning involves creating mental representation schemas of information. These representations help organize and make sense of new experiences. Next, knowledge construction. Learners build knowledge incrementally. They interpret new information based on their existing mental structure, integrating their new knowledge to the existing framework. Problem solving. Cognitive learning emphasizes problem solving as a central aspect. Learners use various strategies, including logical reasoning, trial and error, and solve problems. Memory. Memory plays a critical role in cognitive approach, with an emphasis on how information is encoded, stored, and retrieved. Concept of cognitive approach. The cognitive approach focuses on the internal process that occur when learning takes place. These processes include: first one, attention, focusing mental resources and relevant information. Second one, encoding, converting information into a format that can be stored in a memory. Third one, storage, keeping information in memory for later retrieval, accessing stored information when needed. The cognitive process emphasizes the idea that learning is not just acquiring information but understanding and applying it in a meaningful ways. For instance, students actively build connections between new and existing knowledge, applying cognitive skills like reasoning, critical thinking, and problem solving. The main characteristics of the cognitive approach are: focus on internal process. Cognitive learning is concerned with understanding how the brain processes information rather than just observing behavior. Next one is constructivism. Learners actively construct their own understanding by connecting new information with existing knowledge schemas. Problem solving and critical thinking. Emphasis is placed on problem solving skills, where learners use strategies and logic to approach challenges. Metacognition. Cognitive learning encourages self-awareness about one's learning process, allowing learners to reflect on how they learn and adjust their strategies. Schema theory. Cognitive learning is based on the idea that knowledge is organized into schemas, mental frameworks that help us process and categorize information. As learners encounter new experiences, they either assimilate or accommodate this new information into their existing schemas. Transfer of learning. Cognitive learning stresses that skills and knowledge gained in one context can be applied to other new situations. Conclusion. The cognitive approach to learning provides a comprehensive understanding of how humans actively process and structure knowledge. It highlights the importance of mental processes such as attention, memory, and problem solving in learning. Unlike traditional behaviorist theories, which focuses on observable actions, the cognitive approach delves deeper into understanding how learners construct meaning and make sense of the world. By emphasizing active engagement, problem solving, and metacognition, this approach has important implications for teaching and learning, encouraging students to develop critical thinking and independent learning skills. Thank you.